Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pizza using your oven. First, gather all your ingredients like dough, sauce, cheese, and your favorite toppings. Next, preheat your oven to a high temperature, around 475 degrees Fahrenheit, to ensure a perfectly crispy crust. While the oven heats, prepare your pizza stone or baking sheet by dusting it with a little cornmeal to prevent sticking. This simple preparation sets the stage for a fantastic homemade pizza experience. Now let's get to the dough. Gently stretch your pizza dough to your preferred thickness, aiming for about 1/4 of an inch. You can use your hands or a rolling pin. Once stretched, carefully transfer it to your prepared pizza stone or baking sheet. Next, spread a thin, even layer of your chosen pizza sauce over the dough, leaving a small border of about 1/2 inch around the edge for a delicious crust. This creates the perfect foundation for your toppings. With your sauce in place, it's time for the fun part: toppings. First, evenly distribute your preferred cheese, usually about 6 to 8 ounces, over the sauce. Then, add your favorite toppings, making sure they are spread out for even cooking. Avoid overloading the pizza to ensure it cooks properly. Carefully transfer your pizza to the preheated oven and bake for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the crust begins to turn a beautiful golden brown. Your pizza is almost ready. After the initial bake, continue cooking for an additional 2 to 5 minutes, or until the cheese is melted, bubbly, and slightly browned. Once it looks perfect, carefully remove the pizza from the oven. Let it rest for 3 to 5 minutes before slicing. This helps the cheese set and prevents toppings from sliding off. Finally, slice your delicious homemade pizza into 6 to 8 pieces and serve immediately. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.